Hi, once again, I'm in the Micromark workshop with an item to show you. It is our item number 60365. It's the 5-piece tweezer set. It's an item that Micromark has been carrying since the mid-80s. Tweezers are invaluable for a lot of purposes and hobbies. So I'll show you what you get in this 5-piece pack. Comes in a vinyl pouch that allows easy access to any one of the tweezers inside. There are 5 different shapes. And they have protective plastic rings on the top to keep them closed for those that are not self-closing. And what do we have here? The first one nearest the viewer, you, is a self-closing, about 7-inch long tweezer with serrated edges on both sides. Self-closing is nice to have. We have a straight flat tip tweezer with smooth tips, no serrations, for grabbing wider items or decal paper. If you're applying decals. We have a serrated fine point tweezer that's probably about 6 inches long. The flat tip one is probably about 4.5. Stainless steel, made from Micromark by a well-known manufacturer overseas. Serrated tips with a bent nose, handy all the time. And then whenever you don't need a fine point and you don't want to be doing any poking, there's a blunt nose that's about 5.5 inches long with serrations on both sides. 5 different tweezers, 5 different applications. Keep one in your kitchen, keep one in your shop, keep one in your car. You'll always have a tweezer for any application you might need at any time.